Hi, I'm Hannah Jane Pica Storico, a 2H Infotech student, and in this video, I will show you how to install XAMPP and Visual Studio Code. The goal of this video is to help you set up everything you need to start making and testing website on your computer. After watching, you will have both XAMPP and Visual Studio Code installed and ready for your web development project. So let's begin. Part 1 is installing XAMPP. To download XAMPP, I go to the official XAMPP website and I downloaded the latest version of XAMPP for my operating system, which is the Windows. After downloading the XAMPP, I run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Select the components you want to install, choose the installation directory to complete the installation process. I start the Apache and MySQL services. I open my web browser and I type http colon double slash localhost, and after that exam welcome page appear, and it's a confirmation that we have a successful installation. So we will now proceed to part 2, which is installing Visual Studio Code. I go to the official website, which is the VS Code, and I downloaded the latest version for my operating system, which is the Windows. Done downloading, I just accept the license agreement, choose the installation folder, and verify installation. I create a new file name index.php under htdocs file. Done saving, so I open my browser and I type http colons double slash localhost slash index.php. The message XAMPP and VS Code are successfully installed is displayed. So that's it. Congratulations.